Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something weird is happening, and it might actually be affecting you. Now, if you have an HP device, an HP printer, an HP scanner, anything from HP, it might be normal that you have it. But if you don't have anything from HP, somehow, actually I got it here, not on all of my PCs. Most of my PCs are okay. But if you go and look into the apps section, all apps, in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you go into the H section, and here you will see HP Smart, which is an app that should install only when you got an HP printer or device. Now, I've got absolutely no device that is an HP device. So this is weird. Microsoft did confirm that some people are having this pushed through the Microsoft Store. So apparently that's where it comes from. And we can maybe look at it here. I don't know if it's going to show up on the list in the latest installs and updates. But for a lot of people, that scared them because they was like, well, is that a virus or something? Because I don't have any HP device and I don't have, any HP. There we go. HP installed, modified yesterday. So it installed yesterday. HP Smart. So if you see this and you have nothing from HP, Microsoft says that it's investigating the issue, and I think what happens here is that there's probably a glitch, because I can't see this being useful to push. It's like, I know Microsoft pushes things like their own apps and stuff like that, but I don't see why this would be pushed, because there's no usefulness to it much unless you got an HP device. So anyways, the good thing about it is that if you have it and you don't need it, and if it was installed and you really didn't want it, hopefully it's not going to come back. You can right click on it and click the uninstall button, and you will remove the app. So this is weird, and Microsoft says it's investigating and looking at it, but I will guess that this is a mistake and that they are going to fix the issue, because one of those weirdness of Microsoft sometimes. As we say, Microsoft is Microsoft. So check out your systems. Of course, like I said, if you do have an HP printer, if you have an HP, scanner, things like that, it's fine, because you might need it to do things. But if you don't, I don't have anything HP here, so not useful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.